This drama has had me by the throat with excitement and anticipation since I saw the trailer a few weeks ago. And the trailer for this drama looks so magical, so whimsical. And then I realized it might be a musical too. Y'all don't understand how much I love musicals, how much I love theater, period. So anything whimsical, theatrical, magical, I am there. I know that it's a webtoon. I have not read that webtoon, so I am going into this drama completely blind, not knowing anything except who's in it and the fact that they singing. There's some whimsy, and I might like it, and I hope you like it too. So let's watch it. Let's watch it right now. Ooh. Oh, I already love how this is starting. This low-key kind of reminds me of the beginning of It's Okay Not to Be Okay. You actually saw people in half?
사람이 사라지는 맛으로 하면 그 사람이 실종됐대.
Where did they go? So he saw people in half and making people go missing? What is happening? Oh my gosh, what the heck? No, but like I'm low-key loving this. I'm not even gonna lie. Does he not notice everybody dance? Oh, they dancing on the side of, okay. Okay. Opening number. I'm not mad at it. Dang.
윤. 네. 윤아이.
She tripped and fell up the stairs. She gonna be there. Just give her a second.
하던 대로만 하라고 하면 계속 1등만 하라는 어떤 그런 최고의 덕담을 해주셨네. 더 이상 잘할 수는 없는 거니까. 그래, 저기 빈자리 들어가.
He getting special treatment because he the top student. Well, of course, that's normally how that works. Is somebody else gonna bump into her? Because she getting bumped into a lot today. It's just the first day and she already having such a hard time. Everybody is bumping into everybody. Y'all, spatial awareness is important.
내일부터 당장 가능해?
네.
그래? 잘 됐네. 아니 안 그래도 알바하던 학생이 갑자기 관둬서 좀 난처하던 참인데. 가만있어 봐. 48,000원이지?
네, 48,000원.
자, 2,000원 더 보태는 거야. 내일부터 열심히 해.
Y'all, something about him don't feel right. My spidey senses are tingling. Oh no, she need that money. You know what? Nah, it's home dude playing tricks. That's what that is. Sir Magic Man, stop playing with this girl money. Oh, I love this. This totally reminds me of the type of stuff I was obsessed with as a kid. Where'd her money go? I mean, I know that she's there to have a magical experience with Sir Magic Man, but I want to know where my money went. Oh, that cat was a lot. Oh no. I'll be like, you know what? I don't need it. Wherever it went, it was meant to be here. Whoever got it needed more than I do, because I want to live. Oh, there it is. Is it gonna fly off again? The devil has lied again. Nah, no,
당신 마술을 믿습니까?
I believe in money that you're gonna give back to me.
언니, 남들이 아침, 점심, 저녁 나눠서 3개를 먹는 거랑 내가 한 번에 급식 3개를 먹는 거랑 칼로리는 똑같잖아.
Oh,
그러니까 여기서 뭐 더 먹으면 오바지. 안 그래?
oh, she's so sweet.
뭐야?
So he took her money but gave her invitation. Is there money in the invitation?
안에 있지? 좀 나와봐. 네.
That sounds like a landlady who wants some money.
분명 이번 주랬어. 이번 주까지 한 달치 방세라도 안 주면은 나 당장 부동산에 가서 방 내놓을 거야. 그런 줄 알아요.
죄송합니다.
Oh, she's just having a hard day all around.
그치? 네가 보기에도 저거 좀 심하지?
혹시 돈 없어서 못 사는 거 아니야?
그래. 요즘 세상에 그런 애가 어디...
I don't like the looks. I don't like the look she got. No.
저거 얼마나 한다고.
It's wait, are they setting her up? Cause I'm gonna be real mad.
왜 하나야? 너 뭐 잃어버렸어?
아니, 야 나일든, 너 혹시 이쪽에서 5만 원권 하나 못 뺐냐?
아니?
나 매점 가려고 돈 꺼내서 분명히 여기로 지나갔거든. 아무래도 핑크 같은데.
People like this are like my least favorite people. They really truly are. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. And you know she's not just gonna fess up to it because one, it'll make her look bad. Two, she needs it. She obviously needs it. Where is she? Is she inside? Is she inside the snow globe? She just wants to be happy. She just wants to make her sister happy. Wait, is the landlady their maid? In her daydream? The landlady is their maid in her daydream. Okay. What did she see? She was so happy. What's she seeing? Who got in her daydream? Oh, is that her mom? Did her mom kill herself? Is that what happened? She can't be happy in her daydream? Nope.
손님 일하냐?
어? 이상하다. 너 내 초대장 받고 왔잖아.
She came here for the money.
내 마술에 걸려서 여기 다시 오게 된 거야.
Is that what that dream was?
이거? 짠.
Sorry. It's gonna keep playing games, huh?
한나라 수만나라.
Ooh.
가져가.
Is it real? Is the second one real? You might want to check it.
잠깐만.
Sir, who are you?
너 또 나 피해서 도망갈 거잖아, 그치?
Who are you? Is he gonna start singing too? It's a musical, Kayla. Stop being surprised when people sing. You said you like musicals. It's a musical. Whimsy. Nothing more whimsical than Bubbles. I low-key feel like this is gonna be heartwarming.
한 달치라도 방세 안 주면 당장 부동산에 가서 방 내놓을 거야. 그런 줄 알아.
Those bubbles did not help. She is still having a hard time. You are staring hard. Already said. I don't know how I feel about him. Did she tell him about her getting evicted?
집에 안 계세요. 아니 사실은 못 오시는 거예요.
I don't like this, y'all. I don't like it.
장난감에서가
주변에 돌봐주는 사람은
Don't tell him that. Don't tell him. Don't tell.
친척도 하나도 없어?
다 연락이 끊겼어요. 오래전에.
I'm just telling you I don't like this. Whatever's about to happen, I just got a feeling.
얼마나 필요한데?
Don't take it. The strings attached. There are strings attached. And you won't like them strings.
마침 찾아놓은 돈이 좀 있긴 한 30만 원 정도면 돼?
I do not trust it. I'm sorry. There are people who do this out of the goodness of their heart. But there are a lot who do not.
힘내, 응?
I don't like none of this.
이러다 쓰러지지.
That's probably why the last girl
먹고 싶은 거 없어?
left. It ain't worth it. This man is pure trash.
나 요즘 뭐 했냐 지금?
The moment they start asking, is there anyone to look after you? It's just like, he knows that he has no one.
야 이게 어디서 대가리 피도 안 마른 게
And how dare you attack a child?
나
People always want to pull rank when they don't get their way. Sir Magic Man needs to pop up like right now. Like right now. This is Magic Man.
마술을
Is he gonna make him disappear?
믿습니까?
Make him disappear.
모르는
Phew. Go somewhere, sir. You're pure trash.
annara 수만하라.
I was gonna say I wonder where he went, but you know what? I don't care. I don't care at all. Bye.
사람이 사라지는 마술 성공.
Seemed like he's more impressed with himself. I don't know where he went, but it don't look like he gonna come back. You might be out of work for a little minute. Oh, so what it looks like during the daytime. It looks a lot less creepy in the daytime.
어제 그 언덕에는 어떻게 오신 거예요?
언덕? 도와달라고 외쳤었잖아. 마음속으로.
You can hear her thoughts now?
그냥 지나가다가 들었어, 우연히.
Make it make sense. They don't make sense what you just said. What you mean?
사장님은요?
사장님? 그 아저씨.
Do you know where you send them or you just be making folks disappear?
글쎄,
You don't know.
없었지.
How much got rid of them did you get rid of them? How?
어디로요?
몰라? 어디로 갔는지 알면 그건 진짜 없앤 게 아니지.
So you just be sending folks places.
설마 죽였어요?
Did you?
아니야. 그쵸?
He don't know if he did or didn't because he don't know what he sent them.
나이가 좀 들어도 산타 마술 뭐 이런 거 좀 믿고 좋아하면 안 되나?
Because it don't pay bills. She really is struggling. Don't do no more bubbles.
당신
Bubbles ain't gonna work.
마술을 믿습니까?
What you about to do?
진짜 그만.
안나라. 수만하라.
So he asked them if they believe in magic, but he don't even wait for them to say yes. He don't even ask for consent for the magic. He just be doing it. I really want to know his connection to her and like this attachment and why he's going out of his way to like invite her into his world. Is this song gonna make her believe in magic by the end? Is this impressive when he made a whole person disappear? You can't just open the door like that. Close that door. I don't care how much magic you got. Close that door. If I was having a real bad day, I said I didn't believe in magic, you couldn't sing to me. It wouldn't work. You look like she believed in magic now.
다시 마술을 믿게 만드는
Magic that makes you believe in magic
마술.
again. Magic that makes you believe in magic again. That's too long of a title.
성공이지.
Maybe it triggered some sense of like wonder in her.
진짜 마술사인 걸까?
Okay, so it is whimsical. It is magical. Our female lead is having a hard time. People haven't been nice to her, and she's met Mr. Magic Man, who does not currently have a name. How many people has this man made disappear? How many times has he sawed someone in half and they were really in half? What crimes has this man committed? And my big question is, what is the connection between the magician and the female lead? Because right now it just feels like, okay, she's a girl who has a hard time and she was chosen. But why? What is their connection? I'm sure it will come out and it will be clear at some point. But right now I'm really just like, of all the people with all the issues in this story, why was it her? But the storytelling is really reminiscent and nostalgic for me, that it feels kind of magical for me watching it, because it reminds me of how awestruck I was when I would watch movie musicals. Honestly, things like this is one of the reasons why I went to school for theater, because just the magic of storytelling is just so prevalent in it. So there are only 6 episodes in this drama. I am looking forward to each and every one because I have a lot of questions, more questions than answers. But one thing that is for sure is that this is a musical, and Kahla loves her a musical. So if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more K-drama content, and I will see you in my next video.